Welcome to our Future Proof Your Home video series, where we take you through the different aspects you should consider when making improvements to your home. What is retrofit and why you should do it? When thinking about upgrading your home to make it more comfortable and affordable to run, the options can seem overwhelming. In this video, we're going to take you through the process that is known as retrofit. Retrofit is the addition of materials or technologies to existing buildings to make them more energy efficient, comfortable, and resilient for the long term. The motivation for making changes to your home can arise from many different situations. Maybe you are receiving scarily high energy bills and would rather use that money to invest in your home to reduce your home running costs. Are you fed up of living in a cold, drafty house? Maybe you're worried about the long-term issues related with living in an environment that may be detrimental to your health and well-being. Or you're about to renovate or extend your home and want to make sure that the works you do are as energy efficient and future-proof as possible. Are you living in your forever home and want to make it comfortable and affordable to run in the long term? If you answered yes to any of these statements, then investigating the process of retrofit is for you. Making energy upgrades to your property can transform your daily life and create a warm, safe, and healthy place for you and your family and friends to share. It can give you the long-term security of lower running costs and peace of mind that you aren't exposed to energy price fluctuations. And if already upgrading your property, it can ensure the investment you're making will benefit your home for many years to come. It's worth noting at the start of this process that the steps that follow are very similar to the steps that you would take to make alterations or carry out refurbishment works to your home. What differs is that with retrofit, you consider your home as a whole, not just the individual areas that you intend to refurbish. Why are there so many households that need upgrading? Simply put, our homes aren't fit for purpose. The UK has some of the oldest and poor quality housing in Europe, losing huge amounts of energy through the walls, floors, and roofs. Old housing stock can be cold, damp, and prone to condensation, which causes mold growth and poor indoor air quality. Such conditions make for unhealthy living environments that can lead to health and well-being issues and cause further damage to the building. Every household and home is unique, which means that it can be difficult to find the right information about what would be right for you and your home. There's lots of talk about things that we can do to our homes, such as install a heat pump, add insulation, or even solar panels. But it can be difficult to understand which measure is going to be right for your home, or even if it will make a difference to your comfort or bills. It can be tempting to try to make updates in a piecemeal way, but this can often exacerbate existing problems or create new ones. This can mean that money is wasted by doing work that makes living environments worse or prevents other works from being done later. When extending or renovating our homes, we can build things which aren't as energy efficient as they could be, and sometimes even lead to overheating. In fact, many people find that newly refurbished homes do not provide the comfort they were expecting, because more attention was paid to the extra space created and how it will look, than how the building will perform and how comfortable it will feel. But there's hope. Every home has the potential to be improved. No one should have to live in an uncomfortable home or constantly be worrying about the temperature of their thermostat or how long their heating has been turned on for. Making energy improvements to your home can be done step by step, meaning even if you have a small budget, there are things that you can do to improve your home right now. Even what would be considered tricky or difficult properties, such as listed buildings, houses in a conservation area, or small homes can be improved significantly. In fact, up to 75% of homes in the UK are suitable for most retrofit measures. If every house was updated to make it the best performing it could be, then we could reduce our energy demand for heating by as much as 83% and hot water demand by 58%. If you're already carrying out work to your home, it often doesn't mean an additional financial commitment to improve the energy efficiency of your project. This process of upgrading the performance and energy efficiency of your home might include a sequence of measures such as adding insulation to your walls, floors, and roof, reducing drafts through improving air tightness, improving ventilation, upgrading your boiler or heating system, and adding solar panels. In the next video in this series, we'll talk through these measures in more detail using 4 key principles of retrofitting to explain their importance.